Test natin tong WG or Wing Gun 303 CO2 pistol para kay Boss Joshua. Ayan, so CO2 powered siya, and then naka fiber optic sights front and rear sight. Under rail na rin for attachment. Makikita nyo to guys sa budget meal folder natin. So ang price is 3.8. So pwede COD ah. And then kasama dun sa box is BBs, yung unit, magazine, and then itong manual. Okay, so titest natin. Check natin kung ilang FPS out of the box. $571, $574, $560, $510, $564. So consistent siya na sa 570 out of the box. So for details, PM lang kayo sa page namin guys. Ang page namin ngayon is Mavs Hobby Shop, and then ang personal account ko is Mavs Airsoft.